Most people don't realize this, but your muscles don't disappear after 60 because of age. They fade because your body forgets how to use them. The truth is, your muscles are like an engine that's been left idle too long. And once that engine quiets down, everything slows. Your balance, your energy, even your metabolism. But here's the exciting part. You can restart that engine naturally without gyms, powders, or exhausting routines. All it takes is a few small, powerful shifts woven into your day. It starts first thing in the morning. The moment you wake up, your body is waiting for a signal, a message that says, we still need strength here. But most people skip this step completely. Here's the trick. Within 10 minutes of getting out of bed, move your body just enough to wake it up. Do 10 slow chair squats. Push against a wall for 20 seconds. Lift a small bottle 10 times per arm. You're not working out. You're reminding your muscles they still have a job. Right after that, fuel them. Have something with real protein. Eggs, Greek yogurt, meat, or a small whey shake. That combination of light movement and protein is like flipping a switch inside your cells. Your body suddenly remembers, oh, we're rebuilding again. And when you keep giving it that message every morning, your muscles start responding. You feel steadier when you stand. You walk with more confidence. You start feeling like yourself again. But most people lose those gains halfway through the day, and they don't even realize why. The problem isn't lack of exercise, it's how often they eat. See, every time you snack, your body has to choose, store fat or repair muscle. And when you eat too often, it never gets time to repair. So instead of grazing all day, eat 2 to 3 real meals, about 4 to 5 hours apart. Each one should have enough protein and some healthy fat, fish, eggs, chicken, meat, or beans. Then let your body rest between meals. That quiet time helps repair hormones rise, giving your muscles room to rebuild. It's like telling your body, you have the space now, go fix what's weak. By evening, your body enters its most powerful healing window. This is when your muscles recover the fastest, but only if you give them the right environment. Hydrate well through the evening and have a light protein snack a couple of hours before bed. Maybe cottage cheese, a boiled egg, Greek yogurt, or a warm glass of A2 milk with a little cinnamon. That slow, steady protein feeds your muscles gently through the night, keeping them nourished while you sleep. And one more thing, keep your bedroom cool and dark. Cooler sleep helps your body release more growth hormone, one of your natural muscle repair tools. So when you combine deep rest, gentle movement, and balanced meals, something incredible happens. Your muscles stop fading and start coming back. It's not magic. It's how your body was designed to work all along. You're just speaking its language again. I've seen seniors who could barely climb stairs begin to regain strength in just a few weeks after using this simple rhythm. Morning activation, balanced meals, calm nights. And every single one of them says the same thing. I finally feel alive again. If you'd like to follow a clear step-by-step version of this full routine with easy meal ideas, daily actions, and gentle strength moves, you'll find it inside the Muscle Revival Blueprint. It's built to help your body wake up and rebuild naturally. No gym, no guesswork. You will find the link in the description below this video. And if this opened your eyes, wait till you see what happened when we combined 2 natural muscle-building proteins for 30 days. That experiment revealed something most people have never heard before. You'll find that video on your screen right now. Now I'd love to know, which part of your day do you feel your strength slipping the most? Morning, afternoon, or night? Let me know in the comments, and together we'll help more people stay strong after 60.